Hi.
Hello.
Hi.
How are you doing?
I'm doing great. How about you?
Hi. I'm doing wonderful.
Okay, okay. Where are you from?
From Maryland.
Maryland. What is that?
Where?
I said, where is that? Maryland.
United States.
Oh, okay, okay, okay. You mean you are from United States? Oh,
hmm
okay, okay, okay. I'm from Bangladesh.
Oh, okay. You have pretty eyes. Anybody told you that? Your
Wow,
eyes are
really?
pretty?
Your eyes is also so pretty. Yeah, really.
Not as pretty as yours.
Your eyes, your hairstyle is so beautiful, and I like it.
Thank you. I appreciate that.
Welcome, welcome. And I like black eyes.
What?
I like black eyes.
My eyes are dark brown, not black.
Can you show me like that?
Just know that my eyes are dark brown. Nobody's eyes are black. My name is Mo. Mo. You can call me Mo.
Mal. Okay. Can I call you Malamal?
No. Mo. Mo.
Mal.
Moe. Mo.
Mal?
Mo. Yeah.
Ma.
Mo.
Okay, Ma. Okay, nice name. Nice to meet you, Ma.
All right. I'll see you later, okay? I'm following you. So I'll
Okay.
see you, okay?
Okay, see you.